Remix is a website that NFTA Metro is using to gather feedback on proposed changes to the bus network. In this short video, we'll show you how to view existing and proposed routes and submit your comments. In Remix, the bus routes are listed on the left side, and a map is shown on the right. In this example, there are two routes, 2B Clinton, which is the current routing, and proposed 2B Clinton, a new routing option. The routes are mostly the same, but you can see that NFTA is proposing that the 2B turn north on Transit Road to serve a major shopping area rather than turning south. If you click on the 2B Clinton, you can see more information about how often the bus comes. At the top, you can toggle between inbound and outbound directions. You can move around the map by clicking and dragging the mouse. And you can zoom in and out using the plus and minus buttons at the bottom, or using your mouse wheel if you have one. At the bottom, there is information about the people and jobs served by this route. At a glance, you get a wealth of statistics about the area within a certain distance of bus stops, including population, jobs, poverty, and demographics. You can even change the distance from bus stops that you're interested in. For example, I'll change it from 1 mile, which is a little large, to 1/4 of a mile. And the demographics update themselves. You can zoom all the way in to see bus stops. Once you're done, click on the arrow to go back to the home page, and you can select another route. I'll select proposed 2B Clinton. Look for gray boxes that have notes from NFTA. To leave a comment, look in the top right corner of the page. Click the Post Comment button once, and then click again on the map where you want to leave your comment. Type in your comment, leave your name and email if you want, and then click Post. If you made a mistake, you can click Cancel and try again. If you're commenting about a bus stop, it can't hurt to include exact intersection information so we know precisely which bus stop you're talking about. And that's it. We look forward to hearing from you on Remix.